Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a pair of 2020 Kenworth T880 identical work trucks. They're built with X15 Cummins, 505 horsepower. They have the Allison 4500 RDS. Only got 160 and 190,000 miles on them. They're built with 14s and 46s, full lockers, wet kit. I've got them both fired up here. Gonna do a full walk around for you, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes, and finish up on the inside. So let's go ahead and get started. So the only difference in these two, the top of this hood here on this one is black, and it's got 190,000 miles versus the 160 on the other one. I've got a full video of the other one just by itself, but I want to put these together and show you what you can have together. Southern truck, so there's no rust. Factory split hydraulic tank. You have two-line wet kits, but it looks like they're also set up to haul a dump trailer as well. They've got pinnable fifth wheels, AG460 suspension. Also got air to the back as well. I'll step over here and show you this other one. It's basically identical truck, like I said, identical specs, conditions very similar. No warnings, no faults. Here's your wet kit tower. This one cosmetically is a little bit nicer than the other one. I don't know of any scrapes or dings on the solid yellow one. This one's got a scratch on each fender here. And then also a scratch on this other side. We haven't done anything with those. Not everyone's going to want a yellow truck. They want it white, solid white for company purposes, which all that would be really easy to take care of on a paint job. And then on this bottom side of this extender, that's the only broken spot, I would say. Really nice and clean on the insides. Wet kit tower there, Allison. Full lockers. Super smooth through the RPMs, and your oil pressure climbs just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on either one of these trucks or need anything specific, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.